Good morning, students. Class 8. I am Vijay Kumar Jha. Today, I am going to teach you Lesson 1 Literature. How Beautiful is the Rain, Part 4. In this part, you are going to learn about conversion of sentences. That is the part of your literature book. This is grammar portion of Lesson 1. I hope to understand it properly, you have opened your book before you. Just open the book and take care the grammar part of lesson 1 of your literature. In this, you have to care how you can converse a simple sentence into compound sentence and complex sentence. Just try to understand, my dear students, that on the basis of, you may write down also, on the basis of a structure, we can divide sentence into 3 parts. How many parts? 3 parts. First is the simple sentence. Second, compound sentence. And third is complex sentence. Simple sentence you may write, compound sentence you may write, complex sentence you may write. Now take care, students, that earlier, as you know, you must have read in different grammars also, that there are mainly 5 kinds of sentence: assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, and exclamatory, and they are the kinds according to the function of the sentences. In modern English grammar, statement, question, command, exclamation, there are 4 according to function they are. But according to a structure, there are only 3 types of sentences. First is simple, second is compound, and third is complex. Now justify this simple sentence. Simple sentence means one subject and one predicate. If there is in a sentence, then it is simple sentence. Just you may see here, why are you sad? Now tell me, what type of sentence this is? According to a structure, this is simple sentence. What it is? Simple sentence. According to a structure. According to a structure, it is simple because there is only one subject and only one predicate there is. This is also predicate. This is also the part of predicate. So, I mean, any sentence having one subject and one predicate is known as simple sentence. Just run away, take care, run away. In this sentence, you don't see subject, but subject is you, and that is understood. That's why there is one subject and there is one predicate. Means this is simple sentence, but according to a structure, according to kind of the sentence, according to a structure, this is a simple sentence. Just you write they are playing football. In this sentence, they subject, are playing football is predicate having one subject and one predicate. The sentence is called simple sentence according to a structure. Now you would have understood that sentence can be classified on two bases. First is according to function and according to a structure. According to function, I have taught it earlier to you. Presently, as this is the part of your lesson 1 in your literature book, you have to do the grammar portion of the chapter also, and this time you are learning the kinds of sentences on the basis of a structure. Just you see, this is interrogative sentence, but you have to know according to the kinds of a structure. It is simple sentence, just like run away. This is according to function, imperative or command, but according to a structure, because there is one subject and one predicate, that's why this is simple sentence. Like that, they are playing football. According to function, you may say that this is a statement, assertive sentence, but as according to a structure, there is only one subject and one predicate, that's why this is simple sentence. Now I am going to draw your attention towards compound sentence. Compound sentence. Now you may write the sentence which has more than the sentence which has more than one subject, more than one equal subject and predicate is called compound sentence. As just care here, you are tall but he is short. Ram is intelligent and his sister is dull. Now take care. You is subject, are tall is predicate, but is connector, he is subject, is short is predicate. Like that, Ram is subject, is intelligent is predicate and is connector, his sister is subject, is dull is predicate. In this sentence, there are two subjects, two predicates, but both are independent. So, as a note, you may say that independent clauses are called compound sentence. My dear students, today your time is going to be over. So regarding this, something more you will get tomorrow. Till now, you have to take care that there are three kinds of sentence on the basis of a structure: simple, compound, and complex. I hope this time you have understood what is simple sentence on the basis of a structure, what is compound sentence, and regarding complex sentence you will understand tomorrow. Thank you.